This is the 2020 solved paper, 10th September Shift 2. Here in this video I explain some problems. Remaining problems will be in next video. Okay, you all practice all these problems. You will easily solve each and every problem in future MSET exams. Okay, thank you. If the function f of x is given, that is x minus 1 by x, and x is not equal to 0, then the value of 3 into f of x. Here is given the function f of x is equal to x minus 1 by x. Now I take cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. So f of x whole cube is equal to, this is x minus 1 by x whole cube. That is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3x into 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. We know that the formula a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Here is x cancel. Therefore, f of x whole cube is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into x minus 1 by x. So x cube minus 1 by x cube, that value is f of x cube from the given function, minus 3 into f of x. So 3 into f of x is equal to f of x cube minus f of x whole cube. This is the answer. If Sn is the sum of first n terms of the series 1 square plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 4 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 6 square plus up to dash infinity, then when n is even number, then Sn is equal to dash. Here is given, the series is given, that is Sn is equal to, first we write all squares, 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 7 square plus up to dash infinity plus 2 into, take 2 common, that is 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus up to dash infinite terms. So Sn is equal to, this is 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. This value is 2n minus 1 whole square. Sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity plus 2 into, this value is 2n whole square. So that is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity 2n minus 1 whole square, that is 4n square minus 4n plus 1 plus 2 into 2n whole square. 2n whole square is 4n square into 2, that is 8n square. So that is equal to Sn is equal to sigma 1 to infinity 8n square plus 4n square, that is 12n square minus 4n plus 1, that is equal to 12 into sigma 1 to infinity n square minus 4 into sigma 1 to infinity n plus sigma 1 to infinity 1, that is equal to 12 into sigma 1 to infinity n square, that value is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is taken as n, this is taken as n, minus 4 into sigma 1 to n value is n into n plus 1 by 2 minus sigma 1 to n is n value, that is n. Is 2 times cancel, 6 2 times cancel, that is 2n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus 2n into n plus 1 minus, this is plus n. So 2n into n plus 1 common, that is 2n plus 1 minus 1 plus n, that is equal to 2n into n plus 1. Here 1 cancelled, that is 2n plus n, that is equal to 4n square into n plus 1 plus n. So take again n common, that is 4n square, 4n into n plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to n into 4n square plus 4n plus 1. This is n into 4n square plus 4n plus 1 is 2n plus 1 whole square. Sn is equal to n into 2n plus 1 whole square. Here Sn is given even number, that is even, that means take 2n is equal to m, where n is equal to m by 2. Substituting this value in Sn, Sn is equal to n is m by 2 into 2n value, that is m plus 1 whole square. Sn, therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 into n plus 1 whole square. That is, if capital A is m by n matrix of rank 4, and A contains an mth order of a non-singular submatrix, and A transpose into A is 7 by 7 matrix, then the number of rows of A is dash. Here is given A is m by n, capital A is given, that is m by n matrix of order of rank is given, that is 4. Rank is given 4. A contains, capital A contains mth order of non-singular submatrix, and capital A is non-singular matrix. Capital A is a non-singular matrix. So here is given capital A is a square matrix of order m. So rank of the matrix A is m. Given rank of is given, order of A is given, that is 4. Therefore number of rows is equal to 4. The capital A is given, that is capital A matrix is given, that is capital A is equal to 1 comma 4 comma 2, 2 minus 1 4 minus 3 7 6, and capital B is equal to Bij, that is 3 by 3 matrix with B112 B13 minus 2 B12 is equal to 0. Is such that AB is equal to 2 14 minus 4 4 1 minus 8 minus 6 15 12. Then mod B plus trace B is equal to dash. Here is capital B matrix is given, that capital B is Bij of 3 by 3 matrix, that is B11, so B12 B13, and B21 B22 B23 B31 B32 B33, that is equal to B11 matrix is given, that is 2, and B12 value is given, that is 0, and B13 is given, that is minus 2. This is B21 and B22 B23 B31 B32 B33. So now here is given the value AB is given, that is AB is equal to, that is 2 14 minus 4 4 1 minus 8 minus 6 15 12. So now the matrix A is a product of A and B, that is 1 4 2 2 minus 1 4, that is minus 3 7 6 into B matrix, that is 2 0 minus 2, B21, B22, B23, B31, B32, B33, that is equal to 2 14 minus 4, 4 1 minus 8 minus 6 15 12. Now we multiplying by AB matrix, that is these two matrices, so that is 2 into 2, that is 1 into 2 is 2 plus 4 B21 plus 2 B31, and that is second one is 2 into 0 0 plus 4 B22 plus 2 B23 and minus 2 plus 4 B23 plus 2 B33 and 4 plus B21 plus 4 B31 0 plus B22 plus 4 B22 4 B32, that is minus 4 plus B23 4 B33 and minus 6 plus 7 B23 minus 6 B31 0 plus 7 B22 minus 6 B32 6 plus 7 B23 minus 6 B33. This is the product of the matrix AB, that is equal to is given, that is 2 14 minus 4 4 1 minus 8 minus 6 15 12. So equating these two matrices, on solving above two equal matrices with corresponding elements, we get B21 is equal to B31 is equal to 0 and B22 is equal to 3 and B32 is equal to 1 and B23 is equal to 0 and B33 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the capital matrix is 2 0 minus 2 0 3 0 and 0 1 minus 1. So this is the matrices B, and determinant of B is equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 0 plus minus 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 0, that is equal to minus 6. This is the determinant of B, and trace B is equal to, the trace of B is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 1, that is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and det B plus trace B is equal to minus 6 plus 4, that is equal to minus 2. This is the value of det B plus trace B. Assertion A is given, that is Z is a complex number and mod Z greater than or equal to 3. Then the least value of Z plus 3 by Z is dash. Here is mod Z plus 3 by Z, which is less than or equal to mod Z plus modulus of 3 by Z. This is modulus of Z plus 3 by Z, which is less than or equal to mod Z is 3 plus modulus of Z by 3 by modulus of 3 by Z. That means modulus of Z plus 3 by Z minimum value is 3. In our given problem is least value is 1. So this is not correct. Assertion is wrong. Assertion is wrong. modulus of z1 minus z2 which is less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus z2 for any two complex number z1 z2. This is always true, so reason is true, assertion is wrong. If cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 2020 by sin theta plus I cos theta whole power 2020 plus 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 2021 at is equal to x plus iy. Then the value of x plus y at theta is equal to pi by 2. At theta is equal to pi by 2, we know that cos theta is equal to cos 90, that is 0, and sin 90, that is sin theta is 1. Substituting these two values in the given problem, that is x plus iy is equal to 0 plus I by 1 plus 0, that is whole to the power of 2020 plus 1 plus I by 1 plus I whole power 2021. That is I to the power of 2020. 1 plus I by 1 plus I, that is 1 power 2021. I power 2021 value, 20 value is 1. And 1 power 2021 value is 1, that is equal to 2. So therefore x plus iy is equal to 2. From this x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Therefore x plus y is equal to 2. If omega is a complex cube roots of unity, then sigma x is equal to 1 to 10 omega x plus 2 into omega square x plus 2 minus 3. So first we product of these omega x plus 2 into omega square x plus 2 minus 3, that is equal to omega cube x minus 2 omega x, that is plus 2 omega x plus 2 omega square x plus 4 minus 3. Omega cube x is 1, that is omega cube x square, that is x square plus 2x common, that is omega plus omega square plus 4 minus 3 is 1. Here omega plus omega square is minus 1, that is x square minus 2x1. This is the product of the given value, that is equal to sigma 1 to 10. That value is x square minus 2x plus 1, that is equal to sigma 1 to 10 x square minus 2 into sigma 1 to 10 x plus sigma 1 to 10 1. We know that sigma n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 and sigma 1 is equal to n. Substituting these formulas in the sigma x square, 1 to 10 means that is 10 into 10 plus 1 is 11, 2 into 10 20, 20 plus 1 that is 21 by 6 minus 2 into 10 into 10 plus 1 11 by 2 plus 10. Here 2 to cancel, so 2 3s are 7, 3s are 21, 2 5 times cancel, 5 into 11 55, 55 into 7 that is 385 minus 10 into 11 110 plus 10, that is equal to 385 minus 110 plus 10, that is minus 100, that is equal to 285. And under root of case 2, that is 5x by x minus 2 is equal to 2 by 5. This is case 2. Squaring on both sides, that is 5x by x minus 2 is equal to 4 by 25. So take cross multiplication, 125x is equal to 4x minus 8. So 121x is equal to minus 8. Therefore x is equal to minus 8 by 124. Here is given the first value alpha is taken as 10 and beta is taken as minus 8 by 121 because alpha greater than beta. So now we find the value of alpha square minus 11 power 4 beta square. That is alpha square 10 square is 100 minus 11 power 4 into beta square minus 8 by 121 whole square. That is equal to 100 minus 11 power 4 minus 8 whole square, 64 by 121, 11 square whole square, that is 11 power 4. 11 power 4 cancelled, that is equal to under root of 100 minus 64, that is equal to root 36. Root 36 is equal to 6. That if p is a non-zero real number, p is a non-zero real number if the equation whose roots are the squares of the roots of the equation, whose roots are the Squares of the roots of the equation. X cube minus px square plus px minus 1 is equal to 0 is identical with the given equation. Then p is dash. Here is given the equation is x cube minus px square plus px minus 1 is equal to 0. Here alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. That means alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to p, and alpha beta plus beta gamma and gamma alpha is equal to is p, and alpha beta gamma is equal to 1. And also given alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, this value is also p, and alpha beta plus beta alpha square beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square, this value is p, and alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to 1. That means alpha beta gamma are the roots, and alpha square beta square gamma square are also the roots of the given same equation. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square, that is p square is equal to p plus 2p, that is equal to 3p. P square is equal to 3p. So that is p is equal to 3. The value of p is 3. Of the equation 8x cube plus 6px square plus 3qx minus 27 is equal to 0 or in geometric progression, then q square plus 9p square plus 6pq plus q by p is equal to dash. Here the roots are in geometric progression, that is if alpha comma beta gamma are the roots, then alpha is equal to a by r and beta is equal to a and the gamma is equal to ar, because these are in geometric progression, that is a by r comma a comma ar are the roots. Now sum of the roots, that is a by r plus ar is equal to minus 6p by 8, that is equal to take a common, that is 1 by r plus 1 plus r is equal to minus 3p by 4, and product of the roots taken 2 at a time, that is a by r into a plus a into ar plus a by r into ar is equal to 3q by 8. So that is take a square common, that is a square into 1 by r plus 1 plus r is equal to 3q by 8. From this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Second equation by first equation, that is, so from left hand side a is equal to 3q by 8 into 4 by minus 3p. So 4 2 times cancelled, that is 3 cancelled, that is equal to q by minus 2p. This is the a value, q by minus 2p. And we write product of the roots. Product of the roots means a by r into a into ar, that is equal to 27 by 8. So r cancelled, that is a cube is equal to 27. A cube is equal to 27 by 8. Therefore a is equal to 3 by 8. A is equal to 3 by 2. Substituting a value in this relation, that is 3 by 2 is equal to q by minus 2p. So here is 2 cancel, from this q is equal to minus 3p. This is the relation between q and p. Now here is asking q square plus 9p square plus 6pq plus q by p is equal to q square. Q square is 9p square plus 9p square plus 6p into q value minus 3p plus q value minus 3p by p. Here is p cancelled. 9p square plus 9p square, that is 18p square minus 18p square minus 3. 18p square cancelled, that is equal to minus 3. The value of that is minus. Small a be the maximum value of 3 cos theta plus sin theta. That means maximum value is under root of a square plus b square. This is small a value, that is equal to a square is 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. And theta is not equal to pi by 8. If alpha is equal to a sin square theta cos cube theta and beta is equal to a sin cube theta cos square theta, then the value of alpha square plus beta square whole power 5 by alpha beta whole power 4 under root. First we find the value of alpha square plus beta square. That is alpha square is a square sin power 4 theta cos power 6 theta and beta square is a square sin power 6 theta cos power 4 theta, that is equal to a square common and sin power 4 theta common and cos power 4 theta common, that is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, that is a square sin power 4 theta cos power 4 theta. Now alpha square plus beta square whole to the power of 5 is equal to a square sin power 4 theta cos power 4 theta whole to the power of 5, that is equal to a sin square theta cos square theta whole power 10. A sin square theta cos square theta whole power 10. Now we find alpha square plus beta square whole to the power of 5 under root, that is equal to a sin square theta cos square theta whole to the power of 10 by 2, that is 5. And alpha beta is equal to alpha value is a sin square theta cos cube theta, a sin cube theta cos square theta, that is equal to a square into sin power 5 theta cos power 5 theta. So alpha beta whole power 4 is equal to a sin power a square sin power 5 theta cos power 5 theta whole power 4. So alpha beta whole to the power of 4 under root, that is equal to a square sin power 5 theta cos power 5 theta whole power 4 by 2 is 2, that is equal to a to the power of 4 sin power 10 theta cos power 10 theta. Here is a to the power of 5 sin power 10 theta cos power 10 theta. Now under root of alpha square plus beta square whole to the power of 5 by alpha beta whole power 4 is equal to a power 5 sin power 10 theta cos power 10 theta by a power 4 sin power 10 theta cos power 10 theta. Cos power 10 theta cos power 10 theta cancel, sin power 10 theta cancel. A power 5 by a power 4 is a, that is equal to a value is 5, that is the 5 by 4 minus x into cos 2x plus sin x into sin 2x into sec x is equal to cos x sin 2x into secant x plus cos of 5 by 4 plus x 9 into cos 2x. Then possible value of sec x in that. Here is in this term cos 2x and the last term cos 2x. Take cos 2x common. That is cos 2x into cos of 5 by 4 minus x minus cos of 5 by 4 plus x is equal to, in these two terms, sin x and in these terms, sin x secant x are common. That is sin x into secant x common. In this term, sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. That is sin x secant x common. That is 2 cos square x. So sin x into minus sin 2x. Here is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. That is cos 2x into 2 sin a sin b. That is 2 sin pi by 4 into sin x. That is equal to sin x into secant x into 2 cos square x minus sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. So this is sin pi by 4, sin pi by 4 is 1. Cos 2x is written as cos square x minus sin square x into 2 into sin pi by 4, sin 45 2 by root 2 into sin x is equal to sin x into secant x into 2 cos x common, that is cos x minus sin x. So a root 2 times cancel, that is root 2 into sin x. This is a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x, that is equal to sin x into cos x into secant x is 1, that is 2 sin x into cos x minus sin x. Take cos x minus sin x common, that is cos x minus sin x into root 2 sin x cos x plus root 2 sin square x minus 2 sin x is equal to 0. From this equation, cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So cos x is equal to sin x. That is tan x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to pi by 4. So the value of sec x is equal to sec pi by 4 is equal to root 2. This is the answer. The general solution of the equation root 3 minus 1 into sin theta plus root 3 plus 1 into cos theta is equal to 2. Here is given equation A. Root 3 minus 1 into sin theta plus root 3 plus 1 into cos theta is equal to 2. Dividing by the equation, dividing by 2 root 2 on both sides, that is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 into sin theta plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 cos theta is equal to 2 by root 2. So that is 2 cancelled, that is equal to 1 by root. Here root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, that value is sin 15 degrees, that is sin pi by 12 into sin theta. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, that is cos 15 degrees, that is cos pi by 12 into cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. This is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, that is cos of A minus theta minus pi by 12 is equal to 1 by root 2 is cos pi by 4. So cos theta is equal to cos alpha, therefore theta minus pi by 12 is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 4, where n belongs to z. Therefore the value of theta is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 4 plus pi by 12. This is plus or minus, where n belongs to z. Log of 9 plus 3 root 2 into 2 plus root 5 plus 4 root 5 is equal to, this is the log of 9 plus 3 root 2 into 2, that is 6 root 2 plus 3 root 2 into 5, that is 3 root 10 plus 4 root 5. So take 3 common in these two, that is equal to log of 9, 3 common, that is 3 plus root 10. So first term and third term, and from this take 3 root 2 common, 2 root 2, 2 root 2 common, that is 3 plus this is root 10. Again log of 3 plus root 10 common, that is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, that is equal to log m into n, that is written as log of m plus n, log 3 plus 2 root 10 plus log of 3 plus 2 root 2 is, that is root 8, that is equal to log of 3 plus root 10 is written as log of 3 square plus 1, that is 9 plus 1, plus log of 3 plus root 8 is written as 3 square minus 1, that is equal to, this value is sin h inverse x, this is sin h inverse of 3 plus log of 3 plus square root of 3 square minus 1 is cos h inverse of 3. That value is equal to sin h inverse 3 plus cos h inverse 3. Delta square by a square plus b square plus c square into 1 by r1 square plus 1 by r2 square plus 1 by r3 square plus 1 by r square is equal to dash. That is equal to delta square by a square plus b square plus c square. That is r1 is delta by s minus a. That is 1 by r1 square s minus a whole square by delta square, and 1 by r2 square, that is s minus b whole square by delta square, 1 by r3 square, that is s minus c square by delta square. So s square by delta square. So take LCM, that is delta square is LCM, delta square by a square plus b square plus c square into, here is LCM delta square plus s square plus s minus a whole square plus s minus b whole square plus s minus c whole square. Here delta square cancel, that is equal to s square. S square is written as a plus b plus c by 2 whole square, s minus a whole square, that is a plus b plus c by 2 minus a whole square, s minus b whole square, that is a plus b plus c by 2 minus b whole square plus a plus b plus c by 2 minus c whole square, whole by a square plus b square plus c square, that is a plus b plus c whole square 4. Again, that is b plus c minus a whole square by 4 plus a plus c minus b whole square by 4, and a plus b minus c whole square by 4 whole by a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square. Here take LCM, that is 4 into a square plus b square plus c square. The value of a square plus b square plus c square plus b plus c minus a whole square plus a plus c minus b whole square, a plus b minus c whole square equal, that is 4 into a square plus b square plus c square. Here a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square cancel, 4 cancel, that is equal to 1 answer. ABC, b square minus c square into cot a plus c square minus a square into cot b. Applying sine rule from b square is, that is 4r square sine square b minus c square is 4r square sine square c into cot a plus c square, that is 4r square sine square c minus a square, that is 4r square sine square a into cot b. Here 4r square take common, that is 4r square into sine square b minus sine square c, that is sine of b plus c into sine of b minus c into cot a plus 4r square common into sine square c minus sine square a, that is sine of c plus a into sine of c minus a into cot b, that is equal to 4r squared. Sine of b plus c value is sine a into sine of b minus c. Cot a value is cos a by sine a plus 4r squared. Sine of c plus a is sine b into sine of c minus a cot b, that is cos b by sine b. Here is sine b cancel, here sine a cancel. That is equal to again 4r square common, that is sine of b minus c into cos a, that is written as cos of 180 minus of a plus b plus c plus sine of c minus a into cos b is cos of 180 minus of a plus c, that is equal to 4r square into sine of b minus cos of 180 minus theta, that is second quadrant, minus cos, that is minus sine of b minus c into cos of b plus c. Here also cos of 180 minus c, that is minus cos c minus cos of a plus c into sine of c minus a. Again take minus common, that is 2r square into multiplying by 2r, that is 2 sine b cos a, that is sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b, that is sine of b minus c plus b plus c plus sine of b minus c minus b plus c plus 2 sine a cos b, that is sine of a plus b, that is sine of c minus a plus c plus sine of c minus a plus c, that is equal to minus 2r square into, here is cc cancel, that is sine 2b, here is bb cancel, here is cc cancel, here is c cancel, sine b minus b minus c, that is bb cancelled. Sine of minus 2c is sine 2c, that is plus sine 2c, plus here is a cancelled, plus sine 2c plus sine of c minus a minus c, here is c cancelled, sine of minus 2a minus sine 2a, b minus c minus b minus c, sine of minus 2c, that is minus sine 2c, here minus sine 2c plus sine 2c cancel, that is equal to minus 2r square into sine 2b minus sine 2a. So take multiplying by minus, that is 2r square into sine 2a minus sine 2b. This is inverse of 12 by x plus sine inverse of pi by x is equal to pi by 12. Then x is equal to dash. Here is given sine inverse 12 by x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse of pi by x. Pi by 2 minus sine inverse x, this value is cos inverse of pi by x. Therefore, sine inverse of 12 by x in terms of cos inverse, that cos inverse under root of 1 minus 144 by x square is equal to cos inverse of pi by x. So cos inverse cancel, 1 minus 144 by x square under root is equal to 5 by x. Squaring on both sides, that is 1 minus 144 by x square is equal to 25 by x square. Therefore 1 is equal to 144 by x square plus 25 by x square, that is equal to 169 by x square. That is x square is equal to 169, x is equal to 13. That is the answer. 12i minus 12j minus 8k minus 3i minus 3j minus 9k and 3i plus 3j minus 24k be the position vectors of the vertex A, B, C respectively of a triangle ABC. Then the position vector of the incenter of triangle ABC is dash. Here is given this is OA bar, OB bar, OC bar. Now we find the AB bar. AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar, that is minus 3i minus 12i, that is minus 15i minus 6j plus 12j, that is plus 6j minus 9k plus 18k, that is plus 9k. Now modulus of AB bar is equal to under root of 15 square, that is 225, 6 square 36, 9 square 81, that is equal to, this value is root over 225 plus 30, that is root over 342. And find BC bar. BC bar is equal to OC bar minus OA bar. OC bar is 3i minus 12i minus 9i, 3j plus 12j, that is 15j, minus 24k plus 18 minus 6k. So that implies modulus of BC bar is equal to 81 plus 225 plus 36 under root of, that is equal to root over 342. And the AC bar is equal to OC bar minus OA bar. OC bar minus OB bar. OC bar minus OA bar. 3i minus, that is 6i. 3j plus, that is 9j. Minus 24k plus 9k, that is minus 15k. That implies modulus of AC bar is equal to under root of 36 plus 81 plus 225, that is equal to root over 342. So all side lengths are equal. This is the length of small c, this is the length of small b, this is the BC bar is A and this is B. We know that I in center I is equal to small a into OA bar, B into OB bar plus C into OC bar by A bar plus B bar plus modulus of A bar plus modulus of B bar plus modulus of C bar. A, that is root 342 into OA bar, that is 12i minus 12j minus 18k plus root 342 into OB bar, that is minus 3i minus 6j minus 9k plus root 342 into OC bar, that is 3i plus 3j minus 24k by root 342 plus root 342 plus root 342, that is root 342 common, 342 into 12i minus 3i, 9i plus 3i, that is 12i minus 12j minus 6j minus 18j plus 3j, that is minus 15j minus 18k minus 9k minus 27 minus 27 minus 24, that is minus 51k by 3 into root 342. So 342 cancel, that is 12 by 3 is 4a minus 15 by 3 is 5j minus 51 by 3, that is 27k. This is the in center position vector of the in center, that is 4i minus 5j minus 20 minus 17k. This is minus 17 minus 17k, that is the answer. If the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertex are, that is OA bar is 2i plus 3j 5k and OB bar is 5i plus 2j plus 3k and OC bar is 3i plus 5j plus 2k. Here is OA bar is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 5k and OB bar, this is OB bar 5i plus 2j plus 3k and OC bar is 3i plus 5j plus 2k. Now we find the AB bar, sides of a triangle. AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar, that is 5i minus 2i is 3j, 2j, that is minus j plus 3k minus 5k, 2k, that is modulus of AB bar is equal to under root of 9 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to root 14. And BC bar is equal to OC bar minus OB bar. OC bar is 3i minus 5i, that is minus 2i, 5j plus 2j, that is 3j, 2k minus 3k, that is minus k. Modulus of BC bar is equal to under root of 4 plus 9 plus 1, that is equal to root 14. And the AC bar is equal to OC bar minus OA bar, that is 3i minus 2i, 5j plus 3j plus 2j, 2k minus 5k, that is minus 3k. Modulus of AC bar is equal to under root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, that is equal to root 14. Here in a triangle ABC, all sides are equal, that is AB bar is equal to BC bar is equal to CA bar is equal to root 14. Therefore, the triangle is equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Therefore, orthocenter R bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. This orthocenter is coincide with their centroid. Centroid of the triangle is 2y plus 3j plus 5k. OA bar plus OB bar, that is 5y plus 2j plus 3k plus 3i plus 5j plus 2k whole by 3, that is equal to 2 plus 2i plus 5i, 7i plus 3i, that is 10i by 3 and 10j by 3 and 10k by 3, equating xi plus yj plus zk is equal to, here x is equal to, y is equal to, z is equal to 10 by 3. So that from this x is equal to y is equal to z. This is the answer. If the vectors AB bar is equal to Pi plus Qj plus Rk bar and AC bar is equal to Si plus 3j plus 4k bar and CB bar is equal to 3i plus j bar minus 2k bar form from triangle ABC, then the values of P, Q, R and S such that the area of the triangle ABC is 5 root 6 is. Now we find the values of P, Q, R, S. Here is given the vectors. AB bar is equal to Pi plus Qj plus Rk and the AC bar is equal to, so Si plus 3j plus 4k. Now we find minus, that is CA bar. CA bar vector is multiplying by minus Si bar minus 3j minus 4k and CB bar is equal to 3i plus j minus 2k. We know that here is given, area of triangle ABC is equal to 5 root 6. Area of the triangle ABC means of modulus of CA bar cross CB bar is equal to 5 root 6. So CA bar cross CB bar is equal to 10 root 6. So now cross product I, J, K. CA bar is minus S minus 3 minus 4, 3, 1 minus 2 is equal to 10 root 6. So now I into 3 into 2, 6 plus 4 minus j into 2s plus 12 plus k into minus s plus 9 modulus is equal to 10 root 6. That is 6 plus 4 is modulus of, that is modulus of 10i minus j into 2s plus 12 plus k into 9 minus s is equal to 10 root 6. So now applying modulus 10 square is under root of 10 square is 100 plus 2s plus 12 whole square plus 9 minus s whole square is equal to 10 root 6. Squaring on both sides, that is 100 plus 2s whole square, that is 4s square plus 48s plus 144. 9 minus s whole square, that is 81 plus s square minus 18 is equal to 100 into 6, that is 600. Now 4s square plus s square, that is 5s square, 48s minus 18s plus 30s. So 100 plus 144, 244, 244 plus 81, that is 5, 12, 325. 600 minus 325, that is minus 275 is equal to 0. Take 5 common, that is s square plus 6s minus 55 is equal to 0. So now take factorization, that is 55 11 into 5, 55 11 minus 5 6, that is s square minus 5s plus 11s minus 55 is equal to 0. Take s common, that is s minus 5 plus 11 common, s minus 5 is equal to 0. From this s minus 5 again common, that is s minus 5 take common, that is s plus 11 is equal to 0. From this s minus 5 is equal to 0, s is equal to 5. The value of s is 5. AB bar is equal to Pi plus Qj plus Rk, and AC bar, AB bar, next we write BC bar. BC bar is equal to minus 3i minus j plus 2k, and CA bar is equal to minus Si minus 3j minus 4k. We know that the S value, that is 5, minus 5i minus 3j minus 4k. So applying triangle property, applying triangle law, that is AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar is equal to 0. AB bar is Pi plus Qj plus Rk. BC bar minus 3i minus j plus 2k minus 5i minus 3j minus 4k is equal to 0. Take I common, that is P minus 3 minus 5, that is P minus 8 plus j common, Q minus 1 minus 3, that is minus 4 plus k common, that is R plus 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 is equal to 0. From this P minus 8 is equal to 0, P is equal to 8, and Q minus 4 is equal to 0, Q is equal to 4. R minus 2 is equal to 0, R is equal to 2, and we know that the value S is equal to 5. These are the values of P, Q, R, S. Next question. This question is from binomial theorem. 1 minus 3 by 16 plus 1 into 4 by 1 into 2 3 by 16 whole square minus 1 into 4 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3 3 by 16 whole cube up to dash dash. So we know that the expansion 1 plus x whole to the power of n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus up to dash dash. This is equal to given 1 minus 3 by 16 plus 1 into 4 by 1 into 2 3 by 16 whole square plus up to dash dash. Equating these two, that is nx is equal to minus 3 by 16 and n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square is equal to 1 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3 by 16 whole square. So this is written as x square is nx into x, 1x multiplying to this, that is nx minus x by 2 factorial is 1 into 2 is equal 1 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3 by 16 whole square. 1 into 2, 1 into 2 cancel. Nx value is minus 3 by 16 into minus 3 by 16 minus x is equal to 1 into 4 into 3 by 16 whole square. So 1 3 by 16, 3 by 16, 1 cancel, that is equal to 1 into 4 by 3 by 16, that is equal to 12 by 16. So that is minus into minus plus, that is 3 by 16 plus x is equal to 12 by 16. So now x is equal to 12 minus 3 by 16, that is equal to 9 by 16. So the value of x is 12 minus 3, that is 9 by 16. This is x value, therefore x is equal to 9 by 16. And we substituting x value in this equation, that is nx is equal to 16. N into 9 by 16 is equal to minus 3 by 16. 16 cancel, n is equal to minus 3 by 9. Therefore n is equal to minus 1 by 3. So therefore we are taking the expansion 1 plus x whole to the power of n, that is equal to 1 plus x value is 9 by 16 whole to the power of n, that is minus 1 by 3, that is 16 plus 9, 25 by 16 whole to the power of minus 1 by 3. This is written as 16 by 25 whole to the power of 1 by 3rd, that is equal to, so this is written as 4 by 5 whole square whole to the power of 1 by 3, that is equal to 4 by 5 whole to the power of 2 by 3. This is the answer. Next question. A bar comma B bar comma C bar be 3 unit vectors such that A cross B cross C is equal to 1 by root 2 into B bar plus C bar, and B bar is not parallel to C bar, and alpha and beta bar are the angles between A bar and A bar dot B bar and A bar comma C bar respectively. Then alpha minus beta is equal to dash. Here is given A comma B comma C are 3 unit vectors. That means mod A bar is equal to mod B bar is equal to mod C bar is equal to unit vector 1. Unit vectors, that is 1. And the given condition is A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to 1 by root 2 into B bar plus C bar. A cross B cross C means A dot C into B minus A dot B into C, that is equal to 1 by root 2 into B bar plus 1 by root 2 into C bar. We know that A dot C, that is mod A mod C, and cos of angle between A and C is beta, that is cos beta into unit vector minus mod A into mod B into cos of angle between A and B is given alpha, that is cos alpha into C, here is B, is equal to 1 by root 2 into B bar plus 1 by root 2 into C bar. Here is mod A mod C is 1, that is cos beta into B minus cos alpha into C, that is equal to 1 by root 2 into B plus 1 by root 2 C. Equating the coefficients of B, that is cos beta is equal to 1 by root 2. That means angle B is equal to pi by 4. And similarly cos alpha minus cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos alpha is equal to minus 1 by root 2. That means alpha is equal to 3 pi by 4. Now we find the value of alpha minus beta. Alpha value is 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4. That is equal to 2 pi by 4. That is equal to pi by 2. That is the answer. Alpha comma beta respectively, mean deviation about mean and the variance of the first 5 prime numbers. Then the ordered pair alpha comma beta is dash. It is first 5 prime numbers. First 5 prime numbers, or that is equal to 1 comma, first prime numbers are 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 11. These are the first 5 prime numbers. First we find mean. Mean is equal to, so 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 by 5, that is equal to 11 plus 5 7, 18, 18 plus 5 23, 26, 28, that is equal to 28 by 5 is equal to 5.3, 5.6. So mean mu is equal to 5.6, and mean deviation about mean is equal to, that is modulus of 2 minus 5.6 plus 3 minus 5.6 modulus plus 5 minus 5.6 and modulus of 7 minus 5.6 plus 11 minus 5.6 modulus whole by 5, that is equal to 2 minus 5.6 is, that is 3.6 plus 3 minus 5.6, that is 2.6, 5 minus 5.6, that is 0.6, 7.5, 7 minus 5.6, that is 2.6, 5.6, that is 1.4, plus 11 minus 5.6, that is 5.4 by 5, that is equal to 136 by 5, that is equal to 2.72. This is the mean deviation about mean. This value is given alpha, that is 2.72. This is the value of alpha, and beta value is given, that is the variance of the given prime numbers. Variance V is equal to sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square, that is sigma xi square is 4 plus 9 plus 25 plus 49 plus 121 by 5 minus sigma xi value, that is 2.72, that is 2.72 whole square, that is 121 plus 49, 160, 170, 25, 195, 199, 270, 199 plus 4, 203 by 5, that is this total value is 41.6 minus 2.72 whole square, that is this value mu v is, this is 5.6 whole square, that is 5.6 whole square means 31.36, that is equal to 41.6 minus 31.36 is equal to, that value is 10.24. Therefore this is the value of beta, this is beta. Therefore alpha comma beta is equal to, alpha value is 2.72 and beta value is 10.24. That is the answer. If A1 comma A2 comma up to dash dash A15 are the events of a random experiment, then which of the following is true? So here is given, according to the Boole's inequality, from Boole's inequality, if A, B, C are, if A comma B comma C are three events of a random experiment, then P of A intersection B intersection C, which is greater than or equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus 2. Here we are taking three events in a random experiment from this Bullish inequality. We write this is. So here is given in our problem A1 comma A2 comma up to dash dash A15 are the 15 events of a random experiment then this is written as P of intersection of I is equal to 1 to 15 AI, which is greater than or equal to P of A1 plus P of A2 plus up to dash dash P of A15 minus 14. This is the answer. From second option is correct answer. In an examination, there are four yes or no type questions. The probability that the answer by the students of a question without guess is to be correct is 2 by 3. The probability that a student guesses the correct answer is 1 by 2. A student writes the examination either by without guessing answers to all four questions or guessing answer to all four questions. The probability that the attempt the exam by guessing answers to all questions is 3 by 7. Given that a student answered at least 3 questions correctly, the probability that he answered all the questions without guessing is dash. Here we consider the events. First E1. E1 is answer by a student. Without guessing. E2 is answer by student guessing with guess. And we take capital A is at least 3 questions correctly. So probability of E1 is answer by a student without guessing, that is given is answer by a student without guessing is 3 by 7. And probability of E2, P of E2 is equal to, that is given 3 by 7, that is with guessing, that is 1 minus 3 by 7, that is 7 minus 3, 4 by 7. Probability of A by E1 is equal to, that is 4C3 into 1 by 2 whole power 4 plus 4C4 into 1 by 2 whole power 4. That is equal to 4C3 is 4 into 1 by 16 plus 4C4 1 into 1 by 16. That is equal to 5 plus 1 6, 5, 4 plus 1 5 by 16. And the probability of A by E2 is equal to, that is 4C3 into 2 by 3 whole cube into 1 by 3 plus 4C4 into 2 by 3 whole power 4. That is 4C3 is 4 into 2 by 3 whole cube into 1 by 3 plus 4C4 1, that 2 by 3 whole power 4. Take 2 by 3 whole cube common, that is 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So that is equal to 2 by 3 whole cube is 8 by 27, that is 6 by 3. So 3 2 times cancelled, that is equal to 16 by 27. This is the probability of A by E2 is 16 by 27. Therefore required probability of is equal to probability of E2 by A is equal to probability of E2 into P of A by E2 by probability of E1 plus probability of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2, that is P of E2. P of E2 value is, that is 4 by 7 into A by E2, that is 16 by 27 by P of E1. P of E1 value is 3 by 7 into A by E1, that is 5 by 16 plus 4 by 7 into 16 by 27. 16 by 27. So simplify this value. So we get 1024 by 1429. This is the answer. 4 boxes. Here is given 4 boxes is given. That is capital A box, capital B, capital C and capital D, containing 5000, 3000, 2000 and 1000 fuses respectively. The percentages of defective fuses in the 3 boxes are 3%, 2%, 1% and 0.5% respectively. Here is given 4 boxes A, B, C, D and the fuses are in 5000, 3000, 2000, 1000, and in box A 3% are defective and box B 2% are defective and box C 1% and box D 0.5% are respectively. If a fuse selected at a random from the boxes is found to be defect, then the probability that it has come from the box D is dash. Here is given. First we consider the event. First we consider the events, that is capital A. Box A is selected. Box A is selected and capital B. Box B is selected and C, that is box C is selected and D, box D is selected. And here is given probability of A is given, that is probability of A is equal to 5000 by N of S, total number of fuses, that is 5000 plus 3000, 8 plus 2, 10, that is 11,000, that is equal to 5 by 11. And probability of B, P of B is equal to 3000 by 11,000, that is equal to 3 by 11. And the probability of C is equal to 2000 by 11,000, that is equal to 2 by 11. That is probability of D is equal to 1000 by 11,000, that is equal to 1 by 11. And the end is given defectives in box A is 3%, that is probability of E by A. Probability of E by A is equal to given 3%, that means 3 by 100. And the probability of E by B is given, that is defectives in box B is 2 by 100. 2% means 2 by 100. And the probability of E by C is equal to 1 by 100. And the probability of E by D is equal to 0.5 by 100, that is equal to 5 by 10, that is equal to 5 by 10. Therefore required probability is equal to required probability is equal to, so probability of defective bulb is selected from box D is, that is probability of D by E is equal to probability of D into probability of E by D by probability of A into probability of E by A plus probability of B into probability of E by B plus probability of C into probability of E by C plus probability of D into P of D by P of E by D. So probability P of D value is, that is P of D is 1 by 11 into P of E by D 5 by 10 by whole by P of A, that is 5 by 11 into 2 by 100 plus 3 by 11 into 2 by 100. P of E by A is 3 by 100 plus 2 by 11 into probability of 2 by 11 into 1 by 100 plus 1 by 11 into 5 by 10. So simplify this, we get the answer that is equal to 1 by 47. That is the answer. Hospital, an average of there are 35 births in a week, then the probability that there will be a less than 3 births in a day is dash. Here is given average birth in a week. Average birth in a week is equal to given 35. Average birth in a day. Average birth in a day is equal to 35 by 7, that is equal to 5. Here given lambda is equal to 5. So we find average 3 births, it will be less than 3 births in a day. That means P of X less than 3. That is equal to P of X is equal to 0 plus P of X is equal to 1 plus P of X is equal to 2. So that is P of X is equal to 0 means lambda power 0 into e power minus lambda by 0 factorial plus lambda power 1 into e power minus lambda by 1 factorial, the lambda square into e power minus lambda by 2 factorial. Lambda power 0 is 1, that is e power minus lambda plus lambda is 5 e to the power of minus 5. This is also right as 5 by 1 factorial is 1. Lambda square is, that is 25 by 2 into e to the power of minus 5. Take e to the power of minus 5 common, 1 plus 5 plus 25 by 2. That is equal to e to the power of 5 plus 1, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 25. That is 37. 37 by 2. That is equal to 37 by 2 e to the power of 5.